Hey guys, welcome back to another video here in the Alpha Pack shop. And I know the Razor's sitting behind me, but that's not what we're working on today, guys. We are back at it on the Renegade 1000 XMR build, and we got some parts in. This will be part 4 of the 1000 XMR rebuild. Here we go. All right, guys, last episode we left off needing some stuff. Well, that stuff came in. I got my puller. This is made in the USA. I didn't get the cheap one. This one was like 50 bucks. Not saying they're expensive, but you know. Anyway, there's the part number. Hopefully it'll focus. But anyway, now we can take the flywheel off to get to the guide that is tore up. This box here encases the said guide that we need and chains and all that good stuff and the tensioners. And then I also got in the gasket set, guys. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and start doing it to it. All right, guys, flywheel in one way is removed. I did remove all these just to get them out the way when I did it. As you can see, I got that guide out, and it is right here. Let me show you how messed up this thing is, guys. It got chewed all the way up. Holy moly. That's all whopped. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all have had this happen to your bike. Here's the OEM part number right here, 436017 for this right here guide. All right. Now, that's out the way, we have this guide to deal with, which, come to find out, of course, you have to remove the head. So, just my luck, I now have to get a gasket set and everything and remove the head to be able to change that guide out. But it is what it is. Got to do that. So, that's got to happen. And then here's all the parts that I ordered, or some of them. I have one kit set laid out here, and when I was looking at them, they looked different, and I was wondering why. And I have had to do a bunch of research to figure out why. So the listing was for a 1000 motor. I ordered it, came in, thought it was all correct, but apparently it is an 850 and under motor kit, timing chain kit. It has this as the lower guide, which is way different than this OEM one right here. And then these are nowhere long enough, neither is this, to do it. 800 or 850s and under have a shorter stroke, so that y'all know, if you don't already know. Here's the chain, which is shorter, obviously. So here's the OEM chain, here's the new chain. So all this either has to go back, and they need to send me the new one, or something. I need to either get my money back so I can buy a new set. Something. We got to figure that out. I'm working on that now. So while we're waiting on other stuff, I do have a transmission on the way, just to inform you of. I was able to find one on eBay. Called the company, called the guy, spoke to him. He said it was in good, usable shape. So, as of right now, there is a transmission in the mail headed this way. So, I don't know if we're going to open it up or not. I'm going to check it out, look in it if I can. And we'll hopefully be able to run it and be good. So, and then we can later down the road take the Maverick's transmission out and try to make one good transmission between this one and the Maverick one, whenever it's time for that. But anyway, guys, looks like I'm at a little bit of a standstill here until I can get the correct stuff that I need. Bam! What up? Got it off. Head is removed. Tensioner and guides are out. It's all removed, guys. So, I got a little water remnants around here from when I loosened it up, and I guess there was some coolant still. Y'all let me know down in the comments if I can reuse this base gasket, because if I can, and it's going to be all right, because I'm not changing anything, I'm not hopping the motor up, I can get away, hopefully, with just replacing the head gasket here and cleaning up the head and getting that all put back together with all the new stuff that I have sitting right over there. So y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all would do. Please. Here's the head. Pretty good. Clean. Yeah. So all I got to do is clean that up, clean the water jackets out of with all that corrosion in there, and they'll be golden. Anyway, here's all the new stuff. Got a whole kit here. All gaskets, seals, you name it. If I need it, I got it. So, all that. New chains. Here's the new guides that were busted out. And here, that one. Yep. So, we're good there. And then, check it out. I got a tranny. that transmission I was mentioning earlier came in. Thanks, Power Sports Nation. Even got a yoke and a half a drive shaft with it and some sensors. Yeah! Already went through it, cycled through things, and she is doing like she's supposed to. So we might get away with not even having to bust into this sucker, clean it up, and put whatever I need on here to put it back in the bike whenever it's time. Here's all the other stuff sitting out here. I'll clean all that up. I'm going to use the new tensioners out of this box right there and put all this good stuff in there. Once I hear back from y'all about, hey, can I just use that base gasket, or is that a bad idea, guys? If I'm just leaving it the way it is, it's already set at top, dead center. All at this point we really have to do is put a base gasket, a head gasket, excuse me. Put the head back on it with all the good stuff. Put this cover back on, and we could technically put it back in the bike. So y'all let me know down below. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and bell for notifications. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video because I need to hear from y'all before I keep going. Thanks. Later. Peace.